The question we're trying to solve is, the supplement of an angle is 6 more than twice a number. What are the measurements of the two angles? Well, the first thing I see is this word supplement. And supplement makes me think of supplementary angles, which are angles that add up to 180 degrees. So I'm going to start by drawing a straight line to represent my 180 degrees. But I'm working with two angles, so I have to make sure that in my picture here, I'm going to represent two angles. On one side, our angle is unknown, so we're going to call my angle here x. Okay, that's that side there. On our other side here, we have a little bit more complexity. I get this 6 more than twice a number. Well, immediately when I see 6 more, I think I'm adding 6. Now, what am I adding 6 to? Well, twice a number. That number being unknown. Now we've assigned x as our unknown in this situation, so we're talking about twice of x, or 2 times x. Now we've created an expression for angle 2. To figure out what each angle is, I need to add angle 1 to angle 2. And all of that's going to be set equal to 180 degrees, because that is a supplementary angle. So angle 1, let's put in what we have established for angle 1, which is x, and let's put in what we have for angle 2, which is 2x plus 6. And all of that's still going to be equal to 180 degrees. To start solving this, I need to use like terms to combine. So I have x here and I have 2 x's. I can combine those to make 3x. I can't add them to the 6, however, because 6 does not have x. Now let's see if there's anything else I can do with this equation. No, there isn't. So now I can use inverse operations to start solving. So let's go ahead and subtract 6 from each side. So that leaves me with 6 take away 6 is 0. And 180 take away 6 is 174, which means that 3x is now equal to 174. Well, what's my inverse now with 3x? Well, that's 3 times x. Now I'm going to divide by 3 on each side. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 leaves us with 1x. And 1x is now equal to 174 divided by 3, which is 58. So that means that x is equal to 58 degrees. So what does that mean for angle 1 and angle 2? Well, that means that angle 1 is equal to 58 degrees. And angle 2, well, that's a little bit more complicated, right? Angle 2, I have to go back and use the expression that we have provided it, that 2x plus 6. So let's substitute. 2, parentheses, 58, parentheses, plus 6. All right, 2 times 58 is 116. We're going to add 6 to that. So angle 2 is actually 122 degrees. And there you have it. We have both angles. We have angle 1, x, being 58, and angle 2 being 122 degrees. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at my email or give me a buzz. Talk to you guys soon.